as that veil in whose bosom the bright waters meet. Oh, the last rays of feeling and the life must depart ere the bloom of that valley shall fade from my heart. Yet it was not that nature had shed o'er the scene her purest of crystal and brightest of green. 'Twas not the soft magic of streamlet or hill. Oh no, it was something more exquisite still. Was that friend, the beloved of my bosom, were near, who made every dear scene of enchantment more dear, and who felt how the best charms of nature improve when we see them reflected from looks that we love. Sweet veil of Avoca, how calm could I rest in thy bosom of shade, with the friends I love best, where the storms that we feel in this cold world should cease, and our hearts like these waters be mingled in peace, and our hearts like these waters be mingled in peace. The water is deep, I can swim o'er, and neither have I wings to fly. Build me a boat that will carry two, and both shall row my love and I. There is a ship, and she sails the sea. She sails so deep, as deep can be, but not so deep